In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Blender on your Windows laptop or PC, step by step. Blender is a free and powerful program used for 3D modeling, animation, visual effects, video editing, and much more. Let's get started. First, open any web browser on your computer. You can use Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, or any browser you prefer. Next, go to blender.org. Once the website opens, click Download in the top menu. Blender should automatically detect that you're using Windows and display the correct version for your computer. Make sure Windows Installer is selected, and then click the Download Blender button. The installer will now begin downloading. Since the file is fairly large, it may take a few minutes depending on your internet connection. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and double-click the Blender installer. If Windows asks whether you want to allow the app to make changes to your device, click Yes. The Blender Setup window will now appear. Click Next. Accept the license agreement. You can keep the default installation location, then click Next and select Install. Wait a moment while Blender is installed on your computer. Once the installation is complete, click Finish. You can now open the Start menu, search for Blender, and click the application to launch it. The first time Blender opens, you may be asked to select your preferred language, keyboard layout, and interface theme. Choose the options you prefer and then click Continue or Save New Settings. And that's it. Blender is now downloaded, installed, and ready to use on your Windows laptop or PC. You can start creating 3D models, animations, visual effects, and other creative projects. If this video helped you, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more simple Windows tutorials.